Well, this is the last straw. My bed just exploded. My air mattress just blew up on me. That hole there's no fixing that thing, that's for sure. I guess I'm glad I didn't go down in the middle of the night. Now I gotta find something else to sleep on. Zen, can I borrow your bed? Can I borrow your bed to sleep on? He said, yeah, right. Go find somebody else's dog bed to sleep on. But yeah, man, I even need my bus back. I'm running out of bedding. Well, I can't believe my bed exploded. Well, yes, I kind of can because the last few nights it's been losing air, and I don't think it's losing air. I think it was just getting bigger and bigger. Because you remember the one picture I showed you, it had a big swell on one side. I think it finally just blew up like a balloon, and yeah, it popped. So I've got it temporarily, another bed, not a bed, but a what is that? That's a sleeping pad, the one I found on the table, the green one. That's gonna be my bed for a couple nights. Hopefully my bus will be back like really soon. I was hoping my bed would last until the bus got back so I could take a knife to my bed and pop it. But it had other plans, evidently. I was kind of hoping that my bed would make it like one of my favorite movies, The Blues Brothers. You know, when that 1974 Dodge Monaco police car goes through all this crashing and everything else, and then gets to the front of the Daily Center and it blows up. I was kind of, I had hopes my bed would do the same thing, get me through everything. When I get the bus back, then it explodes. But anyway, it is what it is, and we'll make it work. I was getting around where I could sleep pretty good on that bed. Even with the hump in it, I kind of offset everything to make the hump less humpy, and was sleeping pretty good. I think this sleeping mat is not going to be very nice because my hips don't like hard ground, and I'm about this high off the ground. Well, it's more memories for the summer of 2025. Sometimes I wish I could forget it, but been a nice day at the lake today. Hadn't rained any. It's a chance of rain this rest of the week, but it's been really nice. Light wind. You can see the water is not too white watery. It's good. It's been really quiet. I think I had 2 people in the day use area. Only had 1 person come in to go camp tonight. So I think it leaves me, I think it's 6. We're 6, I think, for the whole night. But the weekend's coming upon us, and that'll change things. We'll probably be full again because we only have a week and a half left, and we get to get out of here. Now, I think once we get through with camp hosting, I'm going to do a little video on, I found a cup, the pros and cons of camp hosting, that some of the things that might have gone through this summer, you know, the good, the bad, and the ugly, etc. And we'll just do a video after I get through with this season. That way I'll have the entire season in case something happens between now and the time we close. A beautiful morning at the lake. Sun coming up one side of the lake and really flat lake, and rain coming in off the other side of the lake. Slept pretty decent. Air pad lost its air after about 2 hours. So that's how it goes. And then I slept, basically wound up sleeping on the ground. I've got some blankets underneath me and some padding, so that kind of helped out. So it was a decent sleep. Well, everybody, it's Friday afternoon, and still no word on if the bus has been worked on yet. I got to know the notification part was in, 3 days ago? But I don't know if they're working on it. So if we don't hear anything in a couple hours, I'll call them because nothing I can do on Friday anyway, such a late in the afternoon. So I'll have to wait till Monday, which is good because my debit card should be here Monday also, according to my tracking on my forwarding from Quartzsite. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll give them a call, say, just waiting. It's that anticipation, just like having a ketchup bottle turn upside down, waiting for it to come out. It's there, but it's just not quite onto the plate yet. So that's what I'm going through right now, just kind of waiting and see, if it's getting worked on. I know he had other things lined up because mine was just didn't know when the part would be arriving for one thing, and so he probably scheduled other work and had to get that out. I understand, so that's what happens, and so hopefully won't be today, Friday. We're going to shoot for Monday and see what happens. So with that, we're getting ready to get some rain. Well, around the area, it's been thundering a little bit, which is good. And